My dear children, in this extra English class of Prep 2, today we will learn about the sound of vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. In English alphabet, some letters are called vowels like A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters are called consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, etc. Now, we will learn the sound of vowels. This is A. A says A. Bo at a bat, co at a cat, for an a fan, bo an a van, bo at a bat, co ap a cat. A makes A sound. This is E. E says A. Boy the bed, roy the red, loy the leg, po a the pet, to a na ten, po a na pen. So, E makes A sound. This is I. I. Now it ba nib, bo it ba bib, to it na tin, po it na pin, so it the seat, lo it pa lip. And this is O. O makes O sound. Po o to pot, ko o to cot, lo o go log, bo ox a box, po ox a pox, to o po top. At the end of the vowels, here is U. U says A. A. Mo a ga mug, ja a ga jug, bo a na ban, po a na pan, go a na gan, go up a cup. So, this B is consonant, A is vowel, and then T is consonant. It makes a word. B-A-T, bat. B-E-D, bed. N-I-B, nib. P-O-T, pot. M-U-G, mug. Now the second exercise. Fill in the gaps with missing vowels. This is the picture of the sun. We will make the word. So, on a sun, heart, at a heart, jip, zip, zo-ip a zip, ant, a ant, den, do-en a den, top, to-op a top. So, we put A, E, I, O and U in the middle of these words. Thank you, children.
Children, write what for what. M for man. M-A-N, man. N for net. N-E-T, net. O for owl. O-W-L, owl. P for pen. P-E-N, pen. Q for quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. R for rat. R-A-T, rat. S for sun. S-U-N, sun. T for toy. T-O-Y, toy. U for urn. U-R-N, urn. V for van. V-A-N, van. W for wax. W-A-X, wax. X for X-ray. X-R-A-Y, ray. X-ray. Y for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Z for zip. Z-I-P, zip. Homework. Redo 3 times in your extra English copy. Thank you.